work at Redford Enterprises at customer service, and today I've got the IQ Extreme vacuum, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and how to put it all together. Seems like, why are you doing this? Can I not just put a simple vacuum together? Who knows? Maybe you can, maybe not, but that's why I'm here to help. So I've got a manual right here. We'll look at that in a bit. I'm going to look at some of the stuff that looks familiar. Floor brush, handy. I'm doing carpets and floors. Extension tubes. If I can get that part out, that'd be great. There we go. I think this can extend. Yes, it can. Sweet. And more cardboard. Yay. For the actual vacuum itself. Red in color. Vacuum box. So we've got a dust cup filter, and I think this has more filters on the inside. If I go to lock to open, and now it comes off. There we go. Put that down there. Now this thing should go from lock to open. There we go. So there's that. So there's one filter and another filter in there. Put that back on from open to lock. Get this thing back on. So we can actually test it. There we go. It's a little area that it hooks into. Right there. Once it's in there, then you can clip it together. So that's done. There's the other part of the vacuum. The motor. Okay, that's on. Okay. Two over there. And there's more stuff. Upholstery stuff. Into little corners, my couch, drapes. I guess that part can come off if I want it to. Should just slide off.
Is what it does. It pulls back.
Oh, like this, you think?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, I guess. Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's new. Oh, and it actually locks in place too. That's cool. So when it's down here, it won't move.
For getting in crevices.
Yeah. Oh, cool. So you don't have to worry about losing that part. That's smart. That's actually really smart. Because I don't know how many times I've had to look for mine. Is that it? Yeah, the rest is just all cardboard. So now I can actually put it all together. Let's go like this. So we go. Goes this way. Coming off. Let's look at this. Interesting. Okay. Then get this back on. Like that. That seems good. And if I want it shorter, I can make it shorter. If I want to change a head, I can change a head. Cool. Oh, I see. Okay. So if I want to make it shorter, it's got a lock and open sign here. So I just twist it. And then it'll slide off.